Sa Vancouver, ramdam na po ang Taylor Swift fever sa syudad. Ito rin kasi ang huling leg ng Eras Tour na higit isang taon na ang itinakbo. Kaya naman ang isang kababayan, 2 beses panonoorin ang kanyang idolo. Narito ang report.
We're back together.
We are never, ever getting back together.
3 taong gulang pa lang si Tammy Balares nang magsimulang magustuhan ang American singer-songwriter na si Taylor Swift. Maging outfit ni Tay-Tay, ginagaya.
Super excited po kasi I would be able to sing with her po and dance with her. So it's always been a dream.
Di lang isa, kundi 2 beses mapapanood ng 16-year-old na si Tammy ang The Eras Tour concert ni Swift sa Vancouver, ang huling syudad ng halos 2 taong tour ng singer.
Yung mom ko, she got the tickets first as my birthday gift po. And then the second time, my friend invited me po.
Inabot ng halos $1,000 ang halaga ng 2 ticket ni Tammy. Sa hirap makahanap ng ticket sa concert, nagkataon na inialok ang parehong ticket sa kanila ng kanilang mga kakilala.
As a mother, parang lahat kaya mong ibigay para sa kanya. Kahit lalakbayin mo lahat para lang mapasaya mo yung anak mo.
I already ordered my outfits. Pero yun lang po, it's a dress. And ang lamig po sa Vancouver, but it's okay.
Sparkly.
Yes!
Si Tammy, ready na raw ang sparkly outfit. Nakaipon na rin ng merch. Pati ang friendship bracelets na tradisyon na sa Eras Tour, handa na rin.
I made them po. Because it's a key thing about Taylor Swift, about trading friendship bracelets and making new friends. So I just thought, why not make friendship bracelets? I'm just going to trade them po with other Swifties and just make new memories with them and make new friends.
Iba raw ang dating ng musika ni Taylor Swift kay Tammy, nakasakasama niya sa kanyang paglaki.
Po dati po, I was really struggling with school, really stressed. And then she has this specific song, and then whenever I listen to it, I somehow feel better. So I think that's how it helps me, and I think it helps numerous people as well. I could relate to it na parang she's a big pop star, tas parang she still feels the same way as other people. So she's normal people just like us. Baby, I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. I shake it off, I shake it off.
Laking pasasalamat ni Tammy sa kanyang ina na suportado ang kanyang pangarap na mapanood si Taylor Swift. Ang 3 taong gulang na si Tammy noon, matutupad na ang pangarap ngayon.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.